When we're subtitling, sometimes we have to time a text that's already been translated or transcribed. Let's open up our EasyT project. We have our subtitles with text, but no timecodes. All we have to do is cue them. You can see that the text is all nice and neat and ready to be cued, which rarely happens in the real world. Well, let's start out with this, and then work our way to more complex cases. One thing that might help you in this kind of task is to switch the layout to Classic. Then you can always see the text of the upcoming subtitle. Let's play the video and time it.
What kind of investigations do you specialize in?
Whatever the cops don't touch.
I see.
What about you? What's your story?
I used to be a lobbyist. About a year ago, I left DC to invest in technology.
That's all there is to it. You can do the rest.